Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about what is Canva and how does it work for beginners. So if you have heard about Canva, it's an amazing beginner-friendly tool that makes graphic design super easy, even if you've never designed anything in your life. Think of Canva as your all-in-one design studio, whether you're creating social media posts, presentations, posters, or even videos. Canva's got you covered. It's packed with drag-and-drop templates, photos, fonts, and design elements to help you make stunning visuals in minutes. To get started, you have to just sign up. Choose a template that fits your project and customize it with your text, colors, and images. Don't like something? Just swap it out. No tech skill required. Plus, it's a free to use with optional upgrades for more features. So if you want pro-level designs without the hassle, Canva is definitely worth trying. Ready to create your first project? Let's dive in. So that is what we call Canva. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.